Hi guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is an impromptu video. Wasn't planning on filming this, but as I started putting this together, I said, let's take out the camera and show my subscribers what I'm doing. If you have been following me for a while, you might have seen last year's video where I put together a turning 13 birthday basket for my niece. And this year, I'm like, what am I going to get my teenage niece? And she's got a lot of things already, but there's one thing that I know she doesn't have. She's been asking for it for quite some time. So I decided to get her a skincare fridge. And let me tell you, I'm really thinking about getting a skincare fridge for myself. Not that I need a skincare fridge, but you know, one never really needs these things, you know? So I purchased a skincare fridge from TJ Maxx, a really cute one. I'm going to be unboxing that for you right now. I decided I'm going to fill it up with some skincare products for her, as well as some gift cards. Now, I didn't purchase too many skincare products because I know she already has a ton of products and I didn't want to duplicate the ones she already has. So I figured I would get her just a few things, give her some gift cards, and then she could pick the rest out. So what I'm actually going to be doing is, instead of just gifting her those things in a bag and then wrapping up the skincare fridge, I'm going to carefully unpackage the skincare fridge. I'm going to stock it up with the goodies, close it back up, and try to seal the box like it's never been opened. When she receives the gift, she's going to open it and think that she's getting the skincare fridge and that is it. I decided to go with this color. They had two other colors at TJ Maxx. They had a black one, which I absolutely loved, and they had a pink one. Now, I tend to always get pink things for my niece, but she also likes this vintage blue color, so I thought this would be the perfect addition for her room. This is the Danielle Creations Cosmetic Fridge, and unlike some of the other fridges that I've seen out there, the reason why I decided to get this particular one is it actually keeps your products not only cool, you can change the temperature and keep your products warm if you have products that should be used on the warmer side. I thought that was a pretty cool feature. I've started going ahead and unwrapping the little tape on the side. I'm going to change the camera angle so you can take a better look at this, and let's start stocking up this fridge. Is that not the cutest? Oh my goodness. This is adorable. That's what the box looks like. It's got a little arrow to lift up and open. Oh, that's so cute. Got the little power cord in there. It's got a removable shelf. I'm not going to take the shelf out in case, you know, I can't figure out how to put it back in right now. Because I'm working with having limited space here, because I have to keep the power plug in here because there's no room in the box, I've had to unbox one of the things. This is the Kylie Skincare 3-step mini set. I know that she doesn't have this and she likes the Kylie brand, so I purchased that. And I'm just going to stick that up top here. And the gift cards that I got her, I put it in this cute little Hallmark box that I got from the grocery store in the card section. So I'm going to stand that up down here and close the door, because it's one of those things where it's just going to fall, but we'll add that in later. The other thing that I got her was this My Orchard hand cream gift set. And this is a Korean skincare brand from Seoul. And it's called Fruitia. And she loves hand creams, or, you know, anything to do with lotions and skincare. These are actually really cute. So this one's like a raspberry cream. This is a cactus cream. This one is shea butter. We have a peach hand cream. This one is a banana and cherry. So this box was way too big. Couldn't fit it in there no matter how hard I tried. We're just gonna add these in individually and go from there. So fingers crossed that these will fit. If not, I'll have to think of something else. Ooh, I think they fit. What do you think? I think they're fitting. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna tip this back so that I can stick this in here. And, all right, perfect. Now I can close this door. And lock it. There you go. Now, we're gonna just put this back in. She's not gonna be the wiser. That is what the back of it looks like. It's got a warm and a cool switch, so fairly easy to switch from cold to warm. Got the little AC power plug outlet there. It's got the little fan. All right, let's put this back in the box. And didn't fit quite like it did before, but I think we're in good shape. Do you think she'll know that I've unboxed this already and stocked it up for her? So now all I gotta do is wrap it and we're good to go. I just wanted to share this cute, fun idea with you. I think it's a nice way of gifting something to somebody else in a clever way of packaging it all up together rather than, you know, sticking the fridge and all of the skincare in a gift bag. It looks like you put a little extra thought into it, and I don't know about you, but I would love to be gifted a skincare fridge with some skincare inside. I'm going to wrap this up and head over because we're celebrating her birthday later today. And also today's Mother's Day. I know that I'm not going to be able to upload this for today, but it will probably be this weekend's video. So for all of the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys had a wonderful day and celebrated with your family. Probably once a quarter I film something that is like gift related, like how to package something up. I like to be crafty and think of clever ways of how to gift things. So I do have a couple of videos out there like that. I will link them all down below in case you're interested. If you liked this video, please go ahead and leave me a like down below so that I know that you enjoyed it. Also, if you're not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, I hope that you will consider subscribing and becoming a part of my subscriber family. You guys are awesome. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.